Hello friends, welcome back to Roast and Relish. Today I am going to make delicious fish curry in South Indian style. So let's see what are the ingredients required for that. One onion, I have taken small onion chopped nicely and two small tomatoes chopped nicely. Little bit of curry leaves, 10 to 12 garlic cloves and little bit of coriander chopped nicely. Here I have taken pomfret fish, 5 to 6 pieces I have taken. I have already washed it twice and then added turmeric and stone salt and washed thoroughly and kept it ready. I have taken one small lemon size of tamarind and soaked it in water. The spice powders required are 3 teaspoons of chili powder, salt to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. For seasoning I have taken 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. I am using gingerly oil for seasoning, so this gives nice taste and aroma for the dish. Now I have taken the pulp out of the tamarind. I am going to strain this and take only the water from it. Now add 3 teaspoons of chili powder into it, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Mix it nicely. Now I have added 2 tumblers of water, so this much is enough for me. Now keep this aside. Now I have taken an earthen pot. Now I am going to pour 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil into it. Let it become hot. Let's add the mustard seeds now. Let it splutter. Now it is slowly spluttering. We can add the fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds. Keep it in medium flame. After it has spluttered, add the curry leaves. Add the garlic cloves. Now add the onions into it. Fry it nicely. Adding fenugreek seeds and cumin seeds gives nice aroma. Now let's add tomato into it. Saute it nicely. After sauteing it for 3 to 4 minutes, we need to add this water which we have made. So add it into it. Stir it nicely. You can add even pepper powder into it if you want for spiciness. I'm adding little bit of pepper. Now stir it nicely. We are going to close this and cook it for 10 more minutes in medium flame. After 10 minutes, let's open the lid. See, the gravy has nicely thickened. Now let's add the fish pieces one by one. Now after adding all the fish pieces, now let it boil for 5 more minutes in an open pan. Now after 5 minutes, the fish curry is almost ready. Let's off the flame and add some coriander leaves for garnishing. Now the yummy fish curry is ready. This goes well with white rice and even with idli dosa. It will be very delicious. So you can have this for even 2 days. You can keep in the earthen pot. So if it is kept in earthen pot, it will be very tastier the next day. So in the next video, bye friends. Hello friends, a small tip for today. When we are using this tea strainer for months together, it gets blocked and the tea will not be getting strained easily. So how to remove this tea particles? So there is a remedy for that. Some water in a pan, allow it to boil. Add 1 spoon of baking soda into it and little bit of Vim liquid or any dishwasher, little bit. Mix it thoroughly and drop the tea strainer into it. Let it boil for 5 to 7 minutes. Now after boiling for few minutes, see after 3-4 minutes I have removed it. Now you can clean this strainer now easily. Take a Vim Bar liquid in a small bowl and take a used brush. Using this brush you are going to clean this tea strainer nicely inside and outside. So if you do like this, you will get the remaining impurities. It will remove it. See, after brushing it with Vim liquid, most of it has gone. Now you can wash it more so thoroughly you can get rid of all the tea particles. So it is better than before. Hope this tip would be very much useful for you. See you in the next video. Bye friends.